Another question we'll be getting asked a lot of is, can you use MAXL ONE on the engine bay of your car? Yes, you can use it. MAXL ONE is safe for all surfaces, and specifically with the engine bay, you can use it on the plastic engine covers, the painted pieces, the hoses, and even metal. All you have to do is spray MAXL ONE on the surface, wipe it, and you're done. One thing I would recommend is making sure your engine bay is cool to the touch before applying MAXL ONE. Once you apply MAXL ONE, it leaves a clean, rich finish without the greasy residue afterwards. And the great thing about it is plastic covers get darker and look refreshed again, and rubber looks brand new. Another great thing about MAXL ONE is once it's cured, it is heat resistant up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, so it has no problem on the engine bay. Thanks to Tri-Phene technology, your whole engine bay is coated in a super hydrophobic layer, meaning it will stay cleaner longer, keep dust away, and repel any grime that wants to stick to it. For any hard to reach areas where you can't put your hand in there and physically wipe it, that's where Max Easy comes into play. It is our spray and rinse coating, so all you'd have to do is spray it in the engine bay, go all around, wait a couple seconds, rinse it all in thoroughly, and then it is coated with the exact same technology inside of MAXL ONE. Max Easy also contains Tri-Phene technology, the same technology inside of MAXL ONE, so it is also super hydrophobic, and it will coat to paint, plastic, rubber, glass, anything you can think of, it will coat to it. Short answer is you can use MAXL ONE on the engine bay. It is heat resistant up to 600 degrees once it's cured. It will coat to anything. You just have to spray, wipe, and you're done. For any hard to reach areas, I would recommend Max Easy. It is our spray and rinse coating, the same technology as MAXL ONE, Tri-Phene. And all you have to do is spray it in there, rinse it with some water, and you're good to go. So then you don't have to go in there and wipe it with your hand. Both of them are heat resistant up to 600 degrees and are perfect for your engine bay. Hope that answered any of your questions. If you have another question, ask it below and I'll try to get to it. Thanks.